Hi guys, welcome back to Good Eye Design. Today is my video about to clean my pantry. I really want to do this video for very long time. It's about 2 years, but I didn't have a chance. So today I'm doing all the cleaning and organization. The most item I used in this video is from the Dollarama. So let's start with me. So I empty the whole cabinet because this is the first and the most important step of your organization, and then pile all the things together which belongs together, which are similar. So that's why, and that's how you can figure out which goes where. And also the how many things you already have. And I think the pantry is the best saving technique in your groceries. This is from the Dollarama, the jars, the spice jar and the lazy Suzanne. It's all from the dollar item. And for my tea I use this baskets. So I fill all my pasta in these jars. They're really good size jars. It's $3.50 each, which is I think really good price. And I also use for my latinals. Actually, the latinal jars are actually the pickle jars which I wash and reuse. So that's how you can save a tons of money. So I put my pasta and I did the three groups. So this line is I dedicated for my breakfast items and the hot chocolate, because this is the hand reach to the kids. And it's all my tea, my pancake syrup, my cereals, so all in the same line. It's I think the time saving in the morning. And this is my latinal, and I put everything by category. And for my bulk item I use these bins. I really like this bin. It was $10 regular price, but I bought from the Canadian superstore. I think it was on the clearance, so I think $3. I really like these bins because they're big, nice. So I put all my bulk items in this one, and even I can see what I have. So when I go for the grocery, I know which things I really need and which I don't. I have a multiple items. So this is my snacks. I really like them. They're really nice. So this bin for the whole bulk item in one line, all the pastas in one line, and the latinals. I know I didn't overflow this pantry. All the cans, the peanut butter, and every other item, all my spices and the lazy Suzanne. So if you are new to my channel, please do comments and like my video, subscribe my channel. And I told you it's a combo of a mudroom. This is my mudroom. They're all together. When you entering from the garage door, you first see the mudroom, the bench. So I just added little touches, and I really like my mudroom. And this is where I put my brooms, my mops, my aprons. This is hanger also from the dollar store, and it's really good. I think it was $4, but it have a lot of stuff on it. So I really like this. It's very handy. And this is my closet where we put our hangers, I mean our jackets, our shoes. And this hanger also from Dollarama. It's a $4, and it have I think 12 pairs of shoes or flip-flop. You can put it there. I really like this. It keep your spell simple. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Have